Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow previous class study about advent of Europeans. So today we discuss about initial modern history. In initial modern history, we focus on the governor role. You know the various governance comes from the 1773 to 1857. After the revolt of 1857 in up to 1947, the viceroy is there. So let us start with the basic prelims questions. Okay. Which one of the following statement is correct about Mahalwari system? A state gave responsibility for collecting land revenue to Jamindar. This statement is true regarding the Jamindari system, not regarding Mahalwari system. So these statements are incorrect. The unit of revenue settlement was to be village. Yes. Land revenue was collected directly from the individual cultivator, not land revenue was settled for 30 to 40 years. This statement is also incorrect. So here asking about correct statement. So answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct? In the Charter Act of 1833, 1 lakh rupees was census for the education development in India. You know that in the Charter Act 1813, 1 lakh rupees census for the education development in India. So first statements are incorrect. The Wood Dispatch of 1854 perpetuated the downward filtration theory. You know the Macaulay Minute in 1835 perpetuated the downward filtration theory. So second statements are also incorrect. So asking about correct statement. So D, none of the above are incorrect. Correct. British adopted the principle of non-interference in the Afghanistan under the Governor Generalship of the Lord Ripon. So answer is B. Each of the following states were seized under the doctrine of lapse. One of these is Nagpur, another is Satara. So correct statement 2 and 3. So answer is B. Each of the following pairs are not correctly matched. During the period of the Lord Ripon introduction of the elaborate bill, yes. During the period of Lord John Lawrence setting of the Finance Commission, yes. During the period of Lord Mayo annexation of Upper Burma, note. During the period of Lord Dufferin annexation of Burma, there. Lord Dufferin a coronation Darbar at Delhi, no. During the Lord Harding Darbar at Delhi is held. So third and fourth statement are incorrect. So asking about incorrect statement, so answer is B. Which of the following statements are correct regarding to Charter Act 1833? The company became a political agent of Crown. Yes. The company trade monopoly was ended except in the tea trade. No. You know the company completely ended the monopoly. So second statements are incorrect. Asking about correct statements. So only B. Answer is B. Which of the following events did not occur during the Governor Generalship at William Bentinck? Evolution of Sati during the William Bentinck, yes. Macaulay reform, yes. Establishment of Medical College at Calcutta, yes. Annexation of Sindh to the British Empire is not. So answer is D. Which of the following statements are correct? Lord Dalhousie established a system of circles of Thana in the police structure. No, you know the Lord Cornwallis is there. So first statements are incorrect. The first law commission was constituted under the Lord Macaulay. Yes, you are asking our correct statement. So only two is correct. So answer is C. What was the reason for the first Anglo-Afghan war? The reason for the British wanted to place a puppet ruler in the Afghan. So answer is C. Which one of the following is incorrect about the Warren Hastings? He ended the dual system. Yes. He founded the Kolkata Madrasa. Yes. He shifted treasury from the Murshidabad to Kolkata. Yes. He pursued permanent settlement in Bengal. No. You know the Lord Cornwallis is the responsible for the permanent settlement in Bengal. So D statement is incorrect. Asking about incorrect statement. So answer is D. Darjeeling was annexed from Sikkim by Lord Dalhousie. He is charge of the Raja of the Sikkim for what is the charges for that? You know that charges for maintaining British maltreating with the British doctor. So only three is correct statement. So answer is C. Which of the following were the reason behind the annexation of the Sindh by British? You know that the British fear for expansion of the Russia to the east, yes. Commercial possibility of the industry was, yes. One to our correct statement, so answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct? Lord Cornwallis created Seventh Civil Services. These statements are incorrect because William Bentinck is the created the during the period of William Bentinck starting the civil services. So first statements are incorrect. William Bentinck banned the sati practice in India. Yes. So only two is correct statement. So answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct about the Raitwari system? The settlement was devised by the Cornwallis. No Hector Munro is there. So first statements are incorrect. The revenue was fixed for the period not exceeding 30 years. Yes. The village community was owner of the land. Yes. The government share was about half of the net value of the crop, not on the basis of the quality of soil and nature of the crop. So fourth statements are also incorrect. Asking about correct statement, 2 or 3 is correct statement. So answer is B. Which of the following statement is not correctly matched? Famine Cohen Strategic Commission, yes. Education reform in 1835, Macallum minutes, yes. Decentralization of financial power is my resolution, yes. Education Commission of 1882 is the Hunter Commission. So these statements are incorrect. And education 1830 by Macaulay Committee, not MacDonald Committee. So incorrect statement 2 and 4. So answer is D. Which of the following events occurred during the Lord Dalhousie? Hindu Widow Remarriage Act was passed in 1856. No, during the Lord Canning. Sati Act passed in 1839 during the William Bentinck. Public Works Department established, yes. Establishments of University in Calcutta, Bombay and Madras in 1857 during the period of Lord Canning. So only 3 statements are incorrect statements. Which of the following statements correct regarding to Wood dispatch in 1854 are correct? It declared English as a medium of education at all level. No, it is the only higher level. So first statements are incorrect. It proposed for the setting of Calcutta, Bombay and Madras University. Yes. Here asking about correct statements, only 2, so answer is C. Which of the following statements are correct? The Bengal Gazette was the first newspaper to publish in India. Yes. The Censorship Act was imposed under the Lord Wellesley. Yes. McAfee was called the liberator of the Indian press. Yes. McAfee repealed the License Act of 1823, not 1857. So fourth statement incorrect. Correct statement 1 to 3. So answer is A. Which of the following pairs correctly match? Chaura Rising, Midnapur, yes. Kol Rising, Chota Nagpur, yes. Santhal region in the Rajmahal Hill in the Jharkhand, and Pagalpanthi in the Bengal. So 3 and 4 incorrect statements. So answer is B. So they are asking about correct statement. So answer is A. Sorry for that. What was reason for the Katha Bhavan revolt? The main reason for the Katha Bhavan revolt is the British forcefully tried to Panchkureli accept the sovereignty. So answer is B. Thank you for that.